you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at the certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Renegade Limited in Alpine White. With halogen quad headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, rear window wiper and washer, right exhaust tip, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 33,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, select terrain system, split folding rear seats, 1.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7277.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.